Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Orca Love Light. Y'all know how we do. We're gonna jump right on into it. I wanted to share this with you guys. 1 cup of this juice is only 2 net carbs, and guess how much these juices are? $1.25 from Dollar Tree. So this is a great substitute if you're a person who like juice. You can use this if you don't want to use those little flavoring packets. This is a great substitute, and it tastes really good, and it tastes better cold. All right, y'all, so for lunch we are just going to make us a quick curry chicken recipe. Now if you don't want to use curry, you can just use the seasonings and just don't add the curry seasoning, because I'm doing this the quick way. We are going to season our chicken. We're going to pour about maybe like a tablespoon avocado oil on there. I'm seasoning mine with Italian seasoning, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, and Cajun seasoning with a little paprika. Like I said, if you don't want curry, this is your seasonings right here. This is all you're going to need to do. Now, for me, because I want a quick curry chicken, I'm going to put curry seasoning when I get it in the pan. So go ahead and watch me mix it all up, and then I'll come back.
I really just bought Sims. It was on sale for $9.99. Man, what a weird sign of the times. Need to keep busy, trying to eat the hours away. Who knew that I like Milky Way? Wake up, I'm ready to go. Yeah, feeling so good in control.
All right, y'all, this part is optional. You don't have to do this part, but I'm just going to chop up a red onion and some garlic cloves, about 5 garlic cloves. You don't have to do this part. I like doing this part because this gives the gravy like some thickness, and you don't have to add the almond flour to it. So if you want your gravy to be thick, I would suggest doing this, but again, this is optional. You don't have to do this. You can also add some peas to it, or some little broccoli florets to it to make your gravy thicker. Just like chop the florets up really tiny, like parsley, and it'll also thicken up your gravy. So once everything is chopped up, we are just going to put it in a pan with about a tablespoon of avocado oil in there, and we're going to let that start to sizzle until the fragrance come, and then we're going to remove it and then add our chicken.
Yeah, think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside.
So once you start turning your chicken over, I would add about 1/4 cup of water in there and give it a really good mix. Now I add mine in intervals because I wanted to make sure I wasn't adding too much water, but it came out to about 1/4 cup of water. And then this is where I put the curry seasoning on top of it, because this is what's going to start giving that chicken the flavor. I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Now you do need this, okay? So even if you want to skip that curry, do not skip putting butter in there, because guess what? You need this right here. So put your butter in this chicken, because now you technically kind of got butter chicken. You just didn't put the cardamom and the star anise in it, but it still would taste good without the curry. I just love curry flavoring. Oh, it is like the best in the world. But it's really time consuming to make, so I'm just taking the shortcut. And y'all know I'm going to add more garlic powder and more curry. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, you're also going to use heavy whipping cream too. All right, look, let me stop running my mouth. Go ahead and finish watching, and I'll come back.
Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. Sit by the window, catching the sun and tracing clouds. I can't believe I'm missing crowds. Time moving so slow, again I'm staring at my phone. Yesterday feels a year ago. Wake up, I'm ready to go. Yeah, feeling so good in control. Yeah, then think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together.
All right, you guys, now this is where we're going to put our 1/2 cup of creamer at. Now for those who did not want to use the curry powder, this is where you can put more paprika and just a hint more of Cajun seasoning, just to give it more flavor and more color.
There are melodies
that emerge from my heart. Songs of love, songs of hurt that make a beautiful art. But the songs I'll never write, I would keep me up at night, 'cause I'm afraid I left something unsaid. Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered in the world? But nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt.
All right, y'all, so here is what it looks like. This is done. So altogether, your chicken is going to be cooking for about maybe 25 minutes. So it's completely done, and this is so good. Look how thick the sauce is. I love this sauce. Oh my gosh, I love this. It is so good. So I just steamed some cauliflower rice, squeezed all of the juice out of it so it can really give you that rice texture. And then I'm just going to add a couple pieces of broccoli, and that is it. I will come back for dinner.
If I managed to say all I felt, but is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? Everything has been used and worn out.
All right, y'all, so here is my snack. I'm just going to eat some of these pistachios and drink me a LaCroix. So for 1/4 cup of these, it is 7 net carbs. And if you remember, lunchtime I had no carbs, so this is absolutely okay. This is perfect. So I'm just using my little, you see my little pot right there that I'm going to be using for it. We're going to roll right into dinner. So this is kind of like a chicken day, I guess. So for dinner, I'm just going to chop up 2 chicken tenders. I'm going to use my same seasonings without the curry. And then I'm going to chop up an onion and a green pepper. We're going to saute it all up together. And then we're going to put this thing on a quesadilla. Oh, y'all, also wanted to say, if y'all have any tips on how to sharpen a knife, please let me know, because I need my knives sharpened. These things are getting so dull, especially because I cook and cut up stuff all the time. So please let me know down in the comments.
Your crazy blue eyes. I think about Manhattan.
All right, you guys, so we are just going to put our chicken in the pan with a tablespoon of avocado oil. We are going to add our onions and green peppers. Y'all, I thought I had some more broccoli. Guess what? I don't have no more. Can y'all believe that? Can y'all believe that? Craziness, right? I have no broccoli. I don't even have no spinach. I don't even have no lettuce. So as you can see, a sister got to go to the market. But I'm going to make do with what I have. I'm just going to be using the green peppers and onions, and we're going to saute it all together because I like my vegetables soft. If you don't like your vegetables soft, then put them in towards the end.
Don't know what happened, but I miss those times. Holding my hands on the subway so I wouldn't fall, still down I'd go, and you'd pick me up, whether on those trains.
All right, y'all. So let me just say, far as these tortillas that I get from Aldi's, I normally like the whole wheat ones, but they don't have them right now. I don't know why, or maybe I don't know, maybe I'm just missing them. I don't know. But the whole wheat ones work so much better. These ones here to me tend to rip a little bit more, even though it didn't right now. It did good, but it will rip easily. So just FYI.
Can't sleep and you pull no matter. Hope you're thinking me. Will you go back to the city? Do you remember Brooklyn? We were so good back then. What a mess we made. From kisses on the river, from gold to silver, now we're just in gray.
Now listen, if you have been here, you know this is my sauce right here. You cannot make a quesadilla or a burrito without putting this on your meal. This is so good. I love this sauce so much. I'm running out, so again, it's going to be a grocery haul in just a minute. And now don't look at this part, y'all. I forgot to put my cheese on the other side. That's why you see it sliding off. Slide a little bit. Then I remember, I'm like, oh wait a minute, let me put some of my cheese on there, because the cheese kind of hold all of this together like a glue.
From sneaking away onto rooftop skies, drunken songs of you and I, to nothing at all. It breaks my heart asking why, when we put city lights to shame, lit up streets with both our names. The love stood so tall, and there'll never be one the same. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway, hear me singing when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me. Will you go back to the city? Hope you see me at the Soho Downer. Can't sleep when you pull no matter. Hope you think of me when you go back, even though it's over. There's no second go.
All right, you guys, here is what it looks like. Now, it don't look too pretty because I don't have my broccoli in the inside of this. I can't believe I used the last bit of broccoli and didn't realize it. But this is what it looked like. This was really, really, really good. It was a little messy, but I really enjoyed it. It was really good. Now, I want to share my Dollar Tree snack haul. I just picked up tons of jerky. These turkey jerkies is... Turkey jerkies? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I don't know why it just sounded funny saying that. But anyway, for the whole pack, it is only 3 carbs. And now for this one, this is supposed to be like some bites, some like pork bites with jalapeno cheese in it. For the whole pack of that is only 1 carb. So I also got me my beef sticks. And these are, I think these ones are 0 carbs. Yes, these ones are 0 carbs. But I found a pepperoni one. And the pepperoni one, I'm going to show you that one, which is this one here. They kind of look the same. The only difference, y'all, this one right here got 4 carbs up in it. So I only got 1 of these, and I got like 3 of the other beef ones. And of course, we can't forget the Tic Tacs. So if you are a person who's doing keto and you like candy, get you some Tic Tacs, but the multicolor ones. I also got some dill pickle seeds. Now, if y'all don't know, this entire bag of seeds is only 6 carbs. 6 net carbs. This entire bag. Crazy, right? So I also picked up some original beef jerky, and this one here is 5 carbs for the entire package. And then I just had, I picked up like 3 of the turkey jerkies. I picked up 3 bags of those. But I wanted to show you guys what this looked like, because I wanted to try these. And look at this. Look at the grill marks on the steak. This was really good. Now, I will admit this was a little tough, but beef jerky is tough. It's like dehydrated meat, so you don't expect it to be soft and tender. So this is a little tough, but this was really good. I really like these. And it's nice sized pieces of meat in here. So it's like, you can't beat that for that low carb, right? All right, my friends. So the day was 1,458 calories, and it was 11 net carbs. Total carbs was 30 grams. That is going to be the end of this video, you guys. If you are new here and you stayed this long, please consider subscribing, because why would you stay this long if you didn't enjoy the video? But no, if you are new here, I appreciate you coming to support. Please consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell. And to my OGs who keep coming back, thank you so much for your love and support. You guys really, you know how I feel about y'all. Y'all know. Y'all are close to my heart. You know how I feel about y'all. All right, friends. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.